Well, viewers, the Allahabad High Court Association has now from today has called for a massive protest against Delhi High Court Justice Yashwant Verma. They have called for an indefinite strike, viewers. Remember, they had observed as to how there should be no difference when a person is being tried of corruption charges, may it be a politician, may it be a bureaucrat, or may it be a judge for that matter. Remember, the Supreme Court Collegium has referred that Justice Verma should come back and assume duty. This has come after the Supreme Court had also formed a 3-member committee to probe the corruption charges. But what is the Allahabad High Court saying? They are saying that we cannot be treated as garbage. Our impression, our position in front of the judicial world is at stake. You cannot send him back. Because remember, viewers, after this entire controversy broke out, the Supreme Court had asked Justice Verma to return to Allahabad. But then the Allahabad High Court Bar Association, viewers, had said that they are not ready to accept him because he has been leveled with serious charges of corruption, viewers. Joining me live on this broadcast is my colleague Soumya, live from the Allahabad High Court. Soumya, it's going to be a crucial day today. The Allahabad High Court Bar Association has upped the ante. They have categorically said that they do not want Justice Verma back and they cannot be treated like garbage. Soumya, what's going to happen today?
Yes, well, Madhurima, correctly mentioned by you that Allahabad High Court Bar Association has upped its ante in this particular case. Remember the day, on 28th of March, when it was first announced by the Collegium about the transfer of Justice Yashwant Verma to his parent court. On that very day itself, the Bar Association in a circular had told that it's not a trash bin. They will not be accepting this transfer of the justice to his parent court. Now, days after, when yesterday again in a different notification it was announced that the Collegium is going ahead with the transfer of the Justice Yashwant Verma and awaiting a green signal from the government. Now, the Bar Association members have announced an indefinite strike demanding the stoppage of the transfer of Justice Yashwant Verma. We are being surrounded by few of the members of the Bar Association who will be starting this strike anytime soon. Right now, let me speak to the Secretary of Bar Association, Vikrant Pandey, and get a sense of what is going to happen post 10 a.m. सर, आज से स्ट्राइक स्टार्ट होने वाली है, तो क्या कुछ एक्सपेक्ट किया जा सकता है?
ये हमारी इंडेफिनिट स्ट्राइक है और जब तक हमारी डिमांड पूरी नहीं होगी, हमारा बस एक ही कहना है कि करप्शन का चार्ज झेल रहे जो जज साहब हैं, उनको दिल्ली से यहाँ पर रिवार्ड के तौर पे भेजा जा रहा है उनके पेरेंट हाई कोर्ट में। ये हमें बिल्कुल बर्दाश्त नहीं है और जब तक हमारी डिमांड पूरी नहीं होगी, हम इसमें स्ट्राइक को कंटिन्यू करेंगे।
इस स्ट्राइक को लेके आपके क्या डिमांड्स हैं? कितने डिमांड्स हैं?
हमारी सिर्फ 2 डिमांड हैं। पहली तो ये है कि पहले से यहाँ पर जो 160 जजों की स्ट्रेंथ थी, उसमें से 79 जजेस काम कर रहे थे, वैसे ही आधे से कम लोग काम कर रहे हैं, उसको पूरा किया जाए। कम से कम जो सैंक्शन स्ट्रेंथ है वो तो पूरी हो। हालांकि वो भी 2007 का डिटर्मिनेशन था, उसमें ये जो इधर इस बीच में पॉपुलेशन बढ़ी है, इसके कारण और बढ़ना चाहिए था, लेकिन फिर भी चलिए 160 की जो संख्या है वो तो कम से कम पूरी की जाती। वो भी नंबर ऑफ जजेस कम है, उसके बाद भी ऐसे जिसको भेजा जा रहा है जो भ्रष्टाचार का आरोप पहले से करप्शन का चार्जेस झेल रहे हैं ऑलरेडी, उनको आप रिवार्ड के तौर पे यहाँ पे भेज दे रहे हैं। तो ये हमें बिल्कुल बर्दाश्त नहीं है। ये दोनों मांगे हमारी पूरी होनी चाहिए, तभी हम आगे इसमें काम करेंगे।
Madhurima, you heard the Secretary of the Bar Association himself making stern demands by the Collegium. With that, I would also request my camera person to pan up the camera. You can see the visuals here. The preparations are underway with tents, speakers and chairs in place. The Secretary is here to overlook the preparations. The President of the Bar Association, Anil Tiwari, Advocate Anil Tiwari, is expected here any moment now. And with that, from 10 a.m. we will see this strike, the indefinite strike, starting anytime soon, and then we'll have to wait as to how this strike pans out as the day moves forward. Back to you, Madhurima.
Well, thank you, Soumya, for those details. We'll keep coming back to you. As you can see, viewers, all preparations have been done. The lawyers are now gathering there for an indefinite strike. That is also going to cost the common person over there at the Allahabad High Court because there are multiple cases already pending. And this is going to not only dearly cost to the association as well, but to the people as well. But we'll have to wait and watch as to what happens. Joining me live is also my colleague Riyanka, who's reporting from outside Justice Verma's residence. Riyanka, what's happening over there? Because after the Supreme Court Collegium has suggested that Mr. Verma should be brought back to work because remember, yesterday he was de-rostered and all his cases were assigned to other judges. What can we expect today happening after this suggestion that has been given by the Supreme Court Collegium? What next is in store for Mr. Yashwant Verma?
Absolutely. Well, the Supreme Court Collegium, as you rightly mentioned, had once again recommended and they had issued an official notice regarding the same that Justice Yashwant Verma be transferred to his parent court, that is the Allahabad High Court. Now, on the other hand, as we already know that there is a huge drama expected at the Allahabad High Court, Bar Association members who are going to be protesting and they have in fact called off an indefinite strike. We know on the other hand, the Delhi High Court had also issued a notice saying that all the judicial work, all the pending cases will not be attained by Justice Yashwant Verma as he has been now de-rostered from his regular work. And we also have to see as in when he exactly goes to Allahabad for the same, because on the other hand, the Allahabad High Court Bar Association is not ready to accept this particular recommendation that has been made by the Supreme Court Collegium. They initially also had said that Justice Verma be transferred to the Allahabad High Court, and yesterday also after issuing the official notification we saw that the Bar Association at the Allahabad High Court had called in for this particular strike. But on the other hand, we have to also understand the movement that have been taking place at Justice Yashwant Verma's residence in the national capital. There are movement of the security personnel that keeps on happening in the morning and at night. There are changes of security personnel as the police and the CRPF has increased their security here in and outside of Justice Yashwant Verma's residence. We see that there have been several visits that have been paid by probably his relatives and his well-wishers, because there are movement happening late last night as well and this morning as well. We have seen cars going in and coming out. But on the other hand, we have to also understand that Justice Yashwant Verma has not come in front of camera. He has just issued a statement which was also released by the Supreme Court where he has clearly denied that the cash belongs to him, and he also said that it is a conspiracy that has been going on against him. So we have to wait and see what exactly happens as the probe continues in this very case.
Well, thank you, Riyanka, for those details. We'll keep coming back to you. Viewers, it's going to be an action-packed day today because after those suggestions from the Supreme Court, the Allahabad High Court has upped the ante and they have refused to accept Justice Yashwant Verma back there at the Allahabad High Court.